Hello dear friends, today we are going to learn about the renewable energy sources, which is the AQT syllabus according to. So let's start. So first is the syllabus where we are going to take introduction of conventional and non-conventional energy consumptions in India, classifications of non-conventional energy, merit and demerits, solar cell industry theory, solar cell material area and laminations in solar power plants. So next topic is energy. Energy. In physics, the capacity of doing work is called energy. Its meaning exists in potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy and electrical energy. So this is the part of electrical energy, so we will discuss about the electrical energy sources. It can be transferred to a destination according to its nature. Here we are discussing about electrical energy. So forward, conventional energy. Energy when we can't use the source of energy after using it. Once we call them conventional energy. We can see that one energy we can't reuse it after using that, so called conventional energy. It is also called renewable and non-renewable energy because we can't renew it. There are many types of renewable energy sources: petroleum, coal, natural gases, oil and nuclear energy. Non-conventional energy type of energy which we can reuse, like solar energy is also called renewable energy sources. There are many types of renewable energy sources: solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, hydropower and tidal energies. Here we are classified our energy sources: source of energy, conventional energy sources and commercial, non-commercial, which is the type of commercial sources. So we will discuss the solar, coal, petroleum, electricity and firewood straw, dried tongue. This is from our animals. And the non-conventional energy which is called renewable energy sources: bioenergy, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. It is the consumptions of energy sources in India, like petroleum is on 26%, natural gases in 7% only, cool gases, like thermal power plants, it's on 48% and electricity is on 5%. On non-conventional energy it's on 14%. This is the pie diagram which shows 40% of unconventional energy, 26% of petroleum, 7% of natural gases, 5% of electricity and non-conventional energy of and coal is have largest amount of 48%. Here we classified renewable energy sources in 5 types, which we discuss next in this video. So biomass energy, tidal energy, wind energy, hydraulic energy sources and solar energy. In the next slide we will discuss about the biomass energy. So it's the diagram of biomass energy. Here the biomass sources and like agriculture, soap, crops and resources, savages and animal residues, industrial residues and forest. It is a form of energy that is derived from recently living organic materials like cow dung and coal, eggs, etc. It is also called biomass or biofuel. It absorbs sunlight and stores it form of chemical energy. We can see it absorbs sunlight from the environment and stores it in chemical energy. Annual biomass production in India is 3 to 582 tons, or we can say 32,582 tons in India. There are only 163 plants in India, which is a very low amount. So we will next discuss about the next wind energy. It means the energy generated by the air. It means getting energy by converting wind power into electrical energy. Here we use some turbines on wind power for wind power, and they rotate called wind turbines. Their blades rotates at and generates electricity. We can store and transmit them. As of 28 February 2021, the total installed wind power capacity was 38.789 gigawatt. Rajasthan is the fourth largest wind power in the world. Its capacity is 4,299.73 megawatts, which is very proudful for us. It is free for fuel and cleanest form of energy. Here we have not to change any converting into for any pollution. It's pollution free also. It's the cleanest energy form of energy in renewable sources. So we discussed about wind energy, and the next will be tidal energy. It is the form of energy where water energy converts into electrical energy. Here water waves converts their energy into electrical energy. Here we install several tidals under the sea, where the air pressure or water pressure rotates the turbines and generates electricity. It's enhanced by converting energy from tides into useful power. It has the 80% efficiency higher than solar power or wind energy generation, because the water pressure is too much, so they rotate the turbines very highly and they generate too much electricity. In India, tidal power was not successful due to high capital costs like 3 to 60 CR per megawatt. Here the CR is crore. South Korea is the biggest producer of tidal power. Thank you. Solar energy. So basically here the main topic is solar energy. So we discuss about solar energy. Solar energy is a type of energy which converts sunlight power into electrical energy. In solar power, here we uses PV cells connected in a array, which creates a solar panel with the power for the power generation. Here we use silicon and semiconductors for transferring electricity. It is a radiation from sunlight producing heat, causing chemical reaction or generating electricity. It is used by humans earlier as 7th BC with magnifying glass material. It is not a new technology, it is used already in 7th BC with the magnifying glass materials. Or now we are using this with photovoltaic materials and semiconductors materials. It is a fast developing industry as a part of renewable energy in India, because it is a renewable energy source, so it is growing very fastly in India. Rajasthan is the largest producer of electricity, or it is the amount of 7,737.95 megawatts per day. And the Anandpur Sahib is the solar city of India. In solar cells, we uses Mg crystalline product for generating electricity, and in 1 hour it generates only 0.6 to 0.7 volts per hour. Next is our hydro energy. So it is the type of energy which converts water pressure into electrical energy. It is a form of energy generated using a dam or diversion structure of the river. It is a method of sustainable energy sources. It is achieved by achieving gravitational potential of kinetic energy of water to electrical energy. We can see easily The run of water converts into the electrical energy on rotating the turbines. The HP generated in was 1563 WH with an average capacity factor of 38.71%. So hydro energy is only a type of energy by which we can see the turbines rotate with the pressure of water. Thank you. We will be right back soon with the new next topic of this video. Thank you.